Hey everyone, this is Brianna from Experience, and today we'll explore how to make a budget spreadsheet. When you make a budget, you're planning how your income will help you cover expenses, afford your wants, and set aside money for the future. You can use a budget spreadsheet to track your spending and your saving. Here's how. First, choose a budget spreadsheet template to use. Templates are available from Microsoft Office, Google Sheets, productivity software Notion, and the Federal Trade Commission, which has a downloadable budget worksheet available on its website, consumer.gov. Second, calculate your after-tax income. List all of your income sources and how much you earn per month from each. If your income is variable or you're self-employed, you may have to estimate your income or choose an average to base it on. Third, categorize your expenses as fixed or variable. Common fixed expenses are things like rent and mortgage payments, insurance premiums, and childcare costs. Variable expenses include groceries, utilities, and dining out. Each month, review your income and your fixed expenses. Then, set spending goals for each of your variable expenses based on what you have left over. It's important to treat saving as one of your most important expenses too. One option experts recommend is to set aside 20% of your monthly take-home pay for savings and retirement.
Fourth, enter your data. Either in your budget spreadsheet template or in one you create, enter your income and budget goals. Make sure to break down your expenses into categories like groceries, subscriptions, or travel. Then add your transactions as they occur. Some templates will automatically update your spending for each category every time you enter a new transaction.
Finally, maintain and stick to your budget. If updating your spreadsheet gets overwhelming, remind yourself why you want to manage your money in this way and keep the benefits in mind. If you find that a budget spreadsheet is just too much work, consider using a budgeting app instead.
For more on budgeting and an overview of apps that could help streamline the process, follow the link in the description box. See you next time.